Okay, so today we are going to talk about how dimension table works and how can we make a dimension table and what will be the benefit for the dimension table. Let's go to the previous page, and here you can see the channel breakdown, how much sales every channel made, like for example channel 1, web 1, channel 3, web 2, and so on and so forth. So notice here we have channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then web 1, 2. That means in a broad category we have two categories. So one is channel and another is web. Let's go to the table view and see we don't have any specific column for only channel or only web. It shows the channel name sale, that is sales channel. So ideally we have two options. One, we can create a column that will be channel versus web, but this is not the best option. We have another option, that is dimension table. So how does it work? Let's get started. There are many ways to create dimension table, but I am showing you the easiest ways. So we have a dimension table Excel file, and we create the file sheet name dim channel. If we have multiple dimensions going forward, we can add those in under the same Excel file. We create this as a table, insert table. My table has header, create a table name dim channel. Okay, so save this one, close. Import this table into our Power BI. So we get data, Excel workbook. Let's open our table Excel file. And again, I showed you earlier in my previous video how to load data. You can check that one if you need to, or we load the table here. Here we don't need to transform the data because it's really basic table, so we can load it. Now I am going to introduce you with the model view, because we have two tables here, that is one is data and one is dim ch, the one we created right now. So go to model view and you can see we have two tables here. So if we go to data view and if we see the dim's channel, and you can see this channel name column is exactly matching with channel sales channel. So click the channel name, hold the mouse button, and then drag it to sales channel. See, they have created a relationship here. Let's click this one, double click. We have data table on the top, dim dimension channel on the bottom, and see we have many to one relationship. So let me explain how the many to one relationship works. So that means on the data table we have the records multiple times. It can be one or more times, but in the one relationship side, that is the dimension table, all records are recorded one time. So this grayed area, both of the columns are related, and this one is the one side of the dimension and this one is the many side of the dimension. So what it means is you can easily group them through the dimension table. So this is said one and there is star, means many. And let's go to the data view and we have these two tables. Now let's go to the report view. Let's create a new page. This is called channel versus web. Let's create a pie chart again, make it bigger. Click on channel versus web. We have two legend here. Then go to data and click sales, sum of sales. So this is our channel versus web, and click this one, copy it, copy the visual, or Control C, then Control V. So what is the difference between these two tables? The channel versus web shows us what percentage is coming for the channels, what percentage is coming from the web, but this is giving us the breakdown. So sometimes we are maybe interested in looking at the macro level things, so it is extremely useful. And create it, make it bigger. How the dimension table works, I hope you understand. So in my starting of the video, I said that we could make another thing. We could create another column here that will give us the channel and web result by creating a new column, that is channel versus web. What is the advantage of dimension table over this new creating column? The advantage is that, see how many columns we have right now here, 5, 6, and we have 84,000 rows here. But if we make another column here, and if we make 84,000 new values, it will consume a lot of space. But when you are creating a dimension table and when you are giving a relationship with both of them, you are only using 10 cell values. So this is when you are working with larger data set, this dimension table is extremely beneficial. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.